Now, I want to talk about something because this morning we got a bunch of photos from folks who said there was it looked like a fireball exploded in the sky. It was kind of a mystery, and we were able to solve it looking at our time lapse from sunrise this morning. Notice there's nothing unusual in the clouds. Right there's a black line right there. That is a contrail created by a jet flying in the sky. Watch that one right there. It's nothing now. All of a sudden, look how it kind of spreads out. The winds in the atmosphere tweak it a little bit. It catches that sunlight, and if we were to zoom in on that thing, it looks like that fireball cloud, like a meteor had come in or something else. But in reality, it was just one of those ice clouds left behind by jets that got lit up. And watch this. Here's another one right there, lit up beautifully. I mean, like a rocket had blasted off. And again, it's just the light playing off these clouds. So the mystery was solved.
They're flying a lot lately at night.
There's a mystery in the skies in northeastern Colorado.
Increase of reports of drones flying.
A pack of drones flying in formation, lighting up the night sky that now has the attention of Homeland Security.
FBI, DOD, FAA, the list goes on.
So this is getting pretty high up that people are looking at this.
Well, we're all concerned.
It's the growing drone mystery in 2 states.
The story even picked up by World News Tonight, with people wondering who's watching them. We showed the latest video from New Raymer to the director of Colorado's Information Analysis Center.
Flashing lights moving across the sky.
A division of Homeland Security, now on the case.
What I think attracts a lot of attention is that not only the quantity, but the ability for them to be flying together in packs.
Kevin Magala says they have forensic analysts going through videos and reviewing witness accounts. But who's flying the drones is still anyone's guess.
Hobbyists, racing drone groups, I mean, you name it.
These 7 counties have all launched investigations into the mystery drones, including Yuma, Morgan, and Weld County.
It's very sporadic right now. There certainly has been no criminal activity that's been identified at this point.
The Drones Over Northeastern Colorado Facebook page is also tracking sightings where the conspiracy theories are rampant, from an inside job to Amazon flying them for their much-anticipated delivery service. Is there any indication that this is a government operation that nobody wants to talk about?
We've reached out to a variety of government agencies. No one has taken responsibility for it.
Amazon tells us these drones aren't them, leaving these eyes in the sky still a mystery. Jennifer Kovaleski, Denver 7.
Are those fireworks? What is that?
Fireworks or something.
Aliens? I don't know.
What the heck
Where is that? You see it, right?
I'm actually, yes,
Okay.
I do see it.
Okay.
It's getting weirder by the second.
I know.
It's like they're sticking around.
We're gonna do some
Anybody?
digging and figure out what that is. Back in a moment.
Just seagulls.
It is a story everyone is talking about. More strange lights spotted over the valley, this time Monday night in Queen Creek. But what was it? ABC 15's Sonu Wasu joining us live. And Sonu, you found someone who may have just solved the mystery.
That's right. Those lights you just saw happened at the same time this Queen Creek Church was having their annual Christmas celebration, and they're telling us that this little LED light on a string could be the source of that. In fact, you can still see one of the balloons that they released up in that tree over there, caught up there. More than 400 balloons released into the skies by members of the Gilbert Queen Creek Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints last night. It is all part of their annual Christmas celebration that has been taking place for 5 years now. And usually they tell us it doesn't draw so much attention, but last night church leaders tell me due to the winds, these balloons took on a long Milky Way-like formation, leading to quite a spectacular light show. There were many people on the ground who were looking up at the skies and just exclaiming at how extraordinary and how stunning it all was. But of course, a lot of you saw it as well. Many of you were baffled and wondering what all of this was. Church leaders say no UFOs here. They believe it's all of the balloons they released.
Hey, we all know what caused those streaks that lit up the sky last night. Our newsroom started getting phone calls and emails at about 11 o'clock, what some viewers describe as a meteor shower. People from all over the state reporting seeing it, those bright lights in the sky going from south to north. Well, today NASA says the object was likely the Cosmos 1315 payload, an old Soviet Union surveillance satellite that was launched back in 1981.
They will slowly decay and eventually burn up when they hit the atmosphere of the Earth. And one reason why it was so noticeable was that it's a really big satellite. It's over 2 tons. And so all that matter hitting the atmosphere and burning up created quite a light show for parts of the Hawaiian Islands.
Officials say whatever did not burn up while entering the Earth's atmosphere likely fell into the Pacific Ocean, and it did not cause any threat to the public. Pretty cool, though.
So don't worry.
Yeah.
Now we know.
Our newsroom was flooded with calls, and our Facebook page was packed with posts from viewers who saw the light. We wondered, and people wondered, what it was, and we wanted to get to the bottom of it. So Christina Ueno went out to find out about the mysterious streak in the sky. Chris, what did you find?
Well, Justin and Kathy, it wasn't anything too crazy. Turns out it was actually a military test that turned out to be a historic one. Just after 7:30 Tuesday night, this strange-looking image appeared in Hawaiian skies. What did it look like to you?
It was just like a long streak, and different color, you know, out of the ordinary.
Like a highlighted or a neon zigzag in the sky.
It's been the talk of the town. Our newsroom has been flooded with photos like these and calls from people asking, what was that? Today, the military cleared the air.
The test was the Aegis Ashore Missile Defense program. It was their first initial launch of the facility here.
A missile flight test on Kauai. You're looking at different angles of the test as it launches and shoots into the sky.
What folks saw out there were actually the shifting contrails of the missile as it hit the upper level and the winds kind of twisted the smoke trail around.
Right, so I'm currently in San Diego at Pacific Beach, and there are currently about, like, what would you say that is? Like 8 lights? 8, 9, maybe 10 lights? Just hanging out above the ocean right now.
Maybe they're droids with like crazy bright lights.
It could be droids.
Coming closer, right?
Is it? Coming closer.
That's what I'm wondering.
Not sure.
I know.
Not sure.
Okay,
this is Austin.
What's happening? They're getting closer. They're like
they're separating. They're separating. No, they're coming together.
Yeah, they're coming together.
All right, stay tuned, people.
There's a plane over there.
It's not moving.
And it's not fireworks because they're just staying there. Come on, focus. Shoot.
Does it show you anything?
Yeah, they're connected to something. And the connection is... They're up. It's connecting up.
It looks like a blimp, but I'm not sure.
Can't see.
Now at 10, a mysterious string of lights spotted in the sky this morning. This video is from Converse, but people seem to spot the same thing in Austin and Houston. Meteorologist Andrew Wilson tries to get to the bottom of these sightings.
If you were up early this morning, you may have seen what looked to be a string of lights moving across the sky. This string of lights could be seen across much of the Lone Star State, including right here in San Antonio. Now, Sean Codd captured this video of the lights visible from Converse. No, this wasn't aliens, but it was something well higher up than what an airplane would fly at. Our sister station in Houston did some research into